Hey guys, did you know you can lazy chop as you're recording or sampling in a sample in real time? Let me show you how to do that. Press the sample button, move this from sample here. I'm going to press slice and I'm going to put this in to record. Look, I'm chopping while I'm sampling. I'm gonna stop this right here. Lazy one. I like to use pad parameters. It's just my preference. We can just create it. A program is already gonna be on a pad, already chopped up. Go to thecyclekid.com, support your boy. I got kits from multiple price ranges. Support me so I can keep making content for you guys. I love y'all. That's sincere. Join the Mpc Family Group. I would love to have you. If you're looking for a positive place, no drama, just support, tutelage, like-minded individuals, we'd love to have you. Peace. Respect.